100 Most Common Questions. Are you tired? Are you tired? How is your dad? How is your dad? Are you sure? Are you sure? Is he a teacher? Is he a teacher? Are you lost? Are you lost? Is he still here? Is he still here? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Is it free? Is it free? Are you serious? Are you serious? Is she at home? Is she at home? Can you come? Can you come? Is she your sister? Is she your sister? Can I eat this? Can I eat this? Is that true? Is that true? Can I help you? Can I help you? May I help you? May I help you? Can you find it? Can you find it? May I open a con? May I open a con? Can you handle it? Can you handle it? May I put it here? May I put it here? Could I help you? Could I help you? May I toque? May I toque? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? May I come in? May I come in? Do you know her? Do you know her? Was I wrong? Was I wrong? Do you like snow? Do you like snow? What is that? What is that? Do you have a car? Do you have a car? What time is it? What time is it? Do you want money? Do you want money? Where is my book? Where is my book? Do you drink coffee? Do you drink coffee? Where is the pain? Where is the pain? Do you want a ride? Do you want a ride? Who is he? Who is he? How is Mary? How is Mary? Who is next? Who is next? How's your cold? How's your cold? Who is that boy? Who is that boy?